Hello guys! Another weekend at Soxalmea. Hindi pwedeng matapos ang gabi na ito na hindi tayo nakakapunta sa Villamor Cosmetic Store. At yes na yes, this is a beauty products kung saan kayo makakabili ng mga produktong lehitimo, sumukna at affordable. This product from Korean, Thailand, Japan, and our very own Philippines. Guys, take a tour and don't forget to buy sunscreen for body and face protection sa tumitinding init. And if you want to get that Korean-inspired look, you really have to check it out. For inquiries and delivery or visit Billamor located in Old San Mega at Anjari Complex. See ya!